name is Rahma Alfani Fozia. I'm biology major 2019 in University Muhammadiyah Professor Dr. Hamka. I'm from Jakarta. I'm 20 years old. And this time, I will discuss with you all about, check it out, community ecology. What is a community ecology?
Community ecology, study of the organization and functioning of communities, which are assemblages of interacting population of the species living within a particular area or habitat. As a population of species interact with one another, they form biological communities. The number of interacting species in this community and the complexity of their relationship. Exemplify what is meant by the term biodiversity. Structure arises within communities as species interact, and food chains, food webs, goods, and other interactive webs are created. These relationships change over evolutionary time as species reciprocally adapt to one another through the process of coevolution.
One of the earliest formal definitions of community ecology was suggested by Cornell professor Robert Whittaker. Whittaker characterized community ecology as an assemblage of living organisms that interact and form a community with a unique structure and a species composition. Knowing how a community functions is vital to promoting and preserving biodiversity. Community ecology examines how coexisting organisms interact and compete in particular niche or geographical location, such as a woodland, prairie, or lake. Community ecology encompasses all population of all species that live together in the same area. Community ecology studies the interaction between structure and organisms. Structure describes characteristics of ecological niches, species richness, and species composition. Species interact with each other and with their environments in many different ways, such as competing for a finite resource or working together to thrive. Population dynamics play a pivotal role in communities. The energy pyramid shows how energy is made and transferred by organisms that comprise the food chain. Heterotrophic producers of usable food energy from the sun from the birth base of the pyramid. Primary consumers such as herbivores cannot make food to fuel their cells and must eat producers alive. Secondary consumers are carnivores that eat the primary consumer. Tertiary consumers differ secondary consumers, but the apex predator at the top of the pyramid has no natural enemies. A food chain represents the flow of food energy in a community. For instance, phytoplankton are eaten by fish that may be caught and cooked by a human. Only 10% of the energy consumed is transferred at each trophic level, which is why the energy pyramid is not inverted. Decomposers play a role by breaking down dead organisms to release nutrients back into the environment. In biology, interspecific interaction refers to the ways in which species interact in their community. The effect of such interaction on different species may be positive, negative, or neutral for one or both. Many types of interaction occur in an ecological community and influence population dynamics. These are a few examples of those types of interaction. Mutualism, both species benefit from interaction, such as a bacteria in the gut that speed digestion. Commensalism, one species benefit without affecting the other, which as a spider spinning and web on a plant. +0. Parasitism, one species benefit, but the other is harmed, such as pathogenic microbes plus meat. Predation, one species preys on the other for survival plus meat. Competition, two species fight over limited resources. Mean, community ecology definition of succession. Ecological succession is a series of changes over time to community structure that affect community dynamics and encourage the assemblance of plants and animals. Primary succession starts with the introduction of organisms and species, usually on newly exposed earth. Pioneer species like lichens on root come first. Secondary succession happens when orderly recolonization occurs in an area that was previously inhabited before a discussion.